Let's go.
What the hell? Wait for me.
Bye bye. 1B. Alright, buddy. See you later.
Oh, I think I'll see you later.
Once Blue Box stop being a clown. That means you could. Yeah!
It's not letting me attack. I don't think you can attack on this first level.
You can't. You have to unlock it.
I have to unlock the attack button.
Yes. We had to catch her first. Come here.
We were gonna get those!
No, screw your stuff.
You get her. Hurry.
Come on.
Well, or don't.
What's... He stopped being a... Boobot!
Jump.
There you go. Now we unlock the attack button. See? Now we can attack.
Finally. We've unlocked the attack button.
What's that? Oh, yeah, bro. I gotta change my attack, bro. This is goofy. I might want to. What would be a good sprint button? Nah, I think I'm gonna be. Honestly. Ow! Hurt me. Okay. Yeah! Nope.
Whack!
Oh, guys, I have to slap you up. Ooh! Ah! Yeah, give me that heart, buddy. You don't deserve this heart.
No, it's mine. No, give that back!
No! Get away from me! Bobox, can you stop being a clown real quick? Can you, like, I don't know, go forward?
Oh, I got it. No, look! Okay, well, never mind, we got it. Ow.
Imagine dying almost immediately. Ow. My bad. I gotta get used to playing all freaking mouse and keyboard. Oh my god. This sucks. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a bull crap. You don't know I did better.
No, I did way better.
Nuh-uh.
No, oh, nuh-uh.
Yay, we get it!
No, I did
We
it.
saved.
That was all.
Oh, we saved the society. We saved us. We, the power of friendship.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Such powerful teamwork, ladies. Wait a minute! I have a plan. Okay. I'm thinking about it carefully now.
Well, what's
Yeah,
that?
what if I could configure my settings to kick my PS4?
I'm trying to get the looms!
You have to catch these hands, little bro. Ah! Get out of here. Oh. Can you stop speaking pig Latin, you stupid? You know what's crazy?
What's that?
Rayman's main love interest is also his mom. Fun
No
Rayman
comment.
facts. No.
I wanted to get the freaking
Go
balloon!
back!
You can't go back!
Yes, you can't go back!
No, you can't!
Follow me, yeah, because you just fell down the goddamn slide.
Alright, fine. Wanna go back?
Let's go. Yes, we're going back.
Oh, damn it.
Oh, no, I got you. Hit me. Oh, let's go.
Yeah, you see this treasure, Simi?
Nope. Who cares about your stupid goddamn treasure?
I do.
Mario Smash! It's mine!
Mine.
Damn it!
Wait, no, I want the thing.
Bonnie.
Simi, I gotta censor that now.
God damn, I forgot.
Yeah, I don't really want
You go
racial
out.
slurs in my videos.
I had to!
Controversial opinion, I know.
Yay! I'm gonna need some coins, little bro. Yay!
You stole it!
You got your own heart.
Ah!
Almost need them. What's here? Okay, got it.
Get to the balloon.
It's hard playing on mouse and keyboard. I'm a controller player for life.
Excuses, excuses.
Oh yeah. Oh, but I found a secret exit. Wait. I needed my mini.
Stop punching
Nowhere
me.
else. You bastard!
That's what you get. Oh god! Wait, wait!
Die! You're gonna hate. I'll save you, but
Actually,
yay!
I saved them. What are you
That was
doing
crazy.
here? This is my victory.
Alright, let's go. Ah!
I'm trying to kill me. Oh god. Wait, what about you?
Hit me! I save you! Damn it. Oh, I can do this, I can do this. Hit me. I thought it was supposed to be like a sacrificial thing.
I mean, we got him.
God. Yay! I'm doing
Oh, always blaming me, Simi.
Is that what fault you suck? Oh my god, I did the sacrificial play. Oh yeah.
What sacrificial play?
Yeah, bro, I know I carried. I carried.
Oh. Carried,
Oh.
huh? Carried.
Bro, except I'm playing on mouse.
Oh, mouse, that's your excuse
It's
for
not
everything.
42 of you was in my shit.
I didn't even understand what you just said.
AIDS cancer.
Oh, just short.
It's all your fault. You're
Oh,
trash. You're trash.
Get the hell back here.
Get the fuck. Take this out. Take this out. I had to get my body used to playing it like this. Ooh, new character unlocked. Alright, let's move on.
It's just a skin.
I know. Ow! You. Yeah! Ah. Ha! You broke your heart!
So, why do they inflate when they die?
I don't know. I don't know that much Rayman lore now. Bro, imagine not being built different like me. Wee! The most useful item in my inventory. Me! No,
You
that's
stopped us from getting that one.
I did. I got it. You still-
Thanks a lot, Simi. I'm not saving you.
Sir. Ow. Boing. Damn it! That's all me! Ow!
All you, huh? Look as my score rises.
Wait! Oh, that's all me! Damn it!
No, the
Let me clip your
blue.
booty cheeks. Beat the
Okay.
Kotonai. Oh.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Ah, damn it!
No.
Imagine not hardcore parkouring like me! Oh, because of that. Well, that's some horse shit. Ow! Ah! Oh, yeah. We always try to put in the work. Ow. Alright,
No,
You-
no, I want it, I want it. Yes! I win.
Oh, damn it! Yeah! Alright. Don't worry. I'm about to carry right now. No, 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 no!
Oh, you're about to carry, huh?
I'm about to carry. Watch me, Solo. Watch me. Now's not the time to be trashed.
Hang on, hang on, hang
Oh,
on.
what are you doing? It's like
No, no.
this. Boing.
Hang on, like, jump up really high.
Ow.
No, that's
Yeah, I
dying.
would love to do that if I was, alive.
Knock me upwards.
Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you. There you
Oh,
go.
almost.
Jump. Jump! You No, jump. I got you.
Jump up and, there.
Yeah, that's undo. I'm trying to do that.
Got
There
it,
we go.
yes! That was actual teamwork.
Yeah, and that's I solo. I hear.
Wait, hang on, I think you were actually...
Oh, but what's the last bullet? Stop pissing me off! Stop
Oh, great work, Simi.
killing yourself. Come here. Come here. Don't worry.
Simi!
Oh, like my hand is literally locked on the E button, so I don't know why I went left forward. Alright, let's go. Give me those skills! Alright. Alright, we definitely need to get the time bonus. We definitely need to get the time.
We didn't get any. Oh, look at that!
I don't have my controller on mute, bro.
You don't seem to have your skills on you either.
I hope you catch AIDS cancer, bro. It's all your fault, alright?
All my fault that we've got
All your
this
fault.
many loops.
Alright, that sounds great. Alright, let's go with the flow, man. Ow. Very kind.
Ah, I got a heart.
Oh my lord. I'll be me forever. I'll be me forever. Yeah, don't make Mr. Rub my player. I don't care. Damn it! I got 2 coins! I got... Yeah, get out. Get in there.
Punch me into the thing.
Yeah. Hit me, Baharaga! I think you're blind or something. Right there. Yay. No, this mine!
Motherfucker.
Come on, we have a time limit.
Reached it.
All things as a me. Ah, damn it. How? Clown?
Oh, clown, huh?
Yeah, you're a clown. That's what I said. Ooh, yeah! Oh. I'm alive. Oh, my heart got disappeared. Oh, wait, what?
It goes down.
Oh my god, move like your actual trash! What? Ow. I was helping them! Stop. Yeah, how's it feel, huh? You're gonna be my cycle. You're not exiting the combo. Oh, no. Yeah, just secure your heart. I got none of them. Okay, that sounds swell. Yeah, bye bye.
Help!
Nope, you're not gonna get. Nope, my life. No. Thank you for being part of my combo, bitch! Okay, hold on. Before we... No, wait!
What are you talking about?
Okay, never mind.
Any more genius plays, Simi?
I got this. Watch this. Jump!
Oh my god, you did everything! But get the down. Let me handle this.
No! It's my points, not yours! Come on. Oh yeah, baby!
Oh my god, how do you even manage that, Simi?
Just hit me. Just hit me. Yeah! It's all your fault.
Oh my, I'm the one who... Oh, whatever.
Yeah! By O, can I be pressing O, not E? God dang it. Now my points are gone. Now my points.
What points? You never had any to begin with. You're part of my infinite combo, buddy. You're part of my infinite combo, buddy. You're part of my infinite combo. You're part... I did not mean to do that. Sorry. I got the heart.
No, I think I'm good, man. Alright. Just gonna slide up here, you know.
Get there?
You do this.
Oh, you wall jump.
Robot, stop being a trash can!
The balloon! Simi, get it! Hurry!
Jump!
Oh my god, I'm actually a good player.
I'm dead. I'm dead! Never mind.
No, you don't get that. Ha! You didn't get it!
It's all because of me, alright? Ow.
Oh,
Yes! We did it!
I did it.
I don't see it, man.
Yo, you don't see the 211
I don't see it, man.
compared to the 93?
I don't see it. I don't see it. If I don't see it, it must mean it doesn't exist. I'm just saying.
Oh, look at
Do we
that.
get
Two medals. What medals
Oh,
have you
because
got,
of me!
Simi?
All because of me. All
Oh,
right.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, it's your mom plus girlfriend. I don't know why the f she's both, but she is.
What the f are you talking about, Sim?
Bro, the fairy girl. Oh no. Yo, my thing is. My thing is delayed! Oh my god, I just hit it with a 3-piece combo with extra fries and nuggets! Boba, stop being a prick! Oh, save you! Is it me? Yep, is it me? I'll be the hero of the story!
Okay.
Wait! Damn it! That was gonna
Hero
work.
of the story, you say?
Watch this. Watch this.
I'm watching. Simi! Simi!
It's the raid! It's
Did I ever tell you what the definition of insanity is? Insanity is doing the exact same fucking thing over and over again, expecting shit to change. That is crazy. The first time somebody told me that, I don't know, I thought they were bullshitting me, so boom, I shot him. The thing is, okay, he was right. And then I started seeing it everywhere I looked, all these fucking pricks. Everywhere I looked, doing the exact same fucking thing. Over and over and over and over and over again. Thinking, this time is gonna be different. No, please. This time is gonna be different. It's like water under the bridge. Did I ever tell you the definition of insanity?
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, just stay up there. Simi, let me have a try.
I got this! I'm the professional here. Just hit me. Sit me. Yep. We're waiting for you to hit me. Yep. I'll save you! I'll save. Oh. Ooh! I'm too fat! Yeah! They call me Big Sexy! I hate you too, you see your face.
Right, there's a freeze frame of it, yeah.
Alright, let's go. This thing ain't gonna catch me. Oh, you're just trash. Watch this.
I'm watching, Simi.
Watch this. Jump! Jump! Get over me!
That
Alright,
was
watch
pretty
this.
impressive.
I'm too Sonic speed. Okay, okay.
Two Sonic speed, you say.
Okay, now I'm just being too diabetic. Watch this. Alright. Jump! Go. Oh, we're just gonna forget that, huh? We're just.
Forget what?
Oh, I know you see the big point.
Up there? Yeah.
Just yes. Alright, just to do your little parkour thing again. I don't know. Just right there. Yay, we did it. Let's go.
I did it. Simi, look at the difference in our scores.
What do you mean difference? I don't see a difference.
You don't see a difference between 103
It's not counting. It's not counting real. So, oh goddamn, yeah, this is another thing. That's another. Oh no! Roblox, you are literally the GOAT. Stop being fat!
Did you just tell him to stop
Fuck,
being
it's delayed. It's delayed! Look! Bro, I'm pressing spacebar hours in advance! Alright, we're gonna forget somebody, who cares? Got it. Ah! Why is this guy my teammate, bro? Why is this guy my...
Oh!
I'm not working with this, bro. Hit me. Just hit me? Yep, just hit me. Yep, just hit me. Yep. Oh my gosh, I'm literally hitting it! Bro, my thing is so delayed. It's delayed! Oh, I'm pressing... Oh, that's why. There we go. Moaning. Oh my god, Lord, you fat! Oh, what is wrong with you, bro? What is wrong?
Oh, at least I did the thing!
Oh yeah, did the thing as you commit suicide? Oh yes, I'm so proud of you.
I was trying to get you!
No, buddy. Excuses.
Oh, and PC versus controller isn't one?
Yes! Look at me! I'm handicapped!
Okay, there's no secret.
There is secrets, you're just
You
blind.
must be in the next zone then.
What the? Wait, what? Let me come your booty cheeks! Ah! It seems somebody doesn't know the power, friend. Oh, that's 300. We got it.
Why do I have to be the big chicken Viking?
Why is he grinding on the glass vial?
Yeah, that's
Like, bro, it's not that deep.
He's caressing it.
It's pretty gay, man. Look at him, he's riding on it!
Right.
He's gay. I think he likes men. Real talk. Yeah,
It takes one to know one, Simi.
No, bye-bye. See you later. See. Get away from me.
Back here, coward.
Oh, look at this clown boy right here. Oh. This is secrets. You got my secrets. What? I got hit on the comeback? Let's fly! Jump!
You took the rope!
Yes!
What?
Yeah, I'm Big Poppy! I'm Big Poppy! Let's go! You're useless!
Fine, Simi. For once, you got more.
Oh my gosh, I'm tired of playing with trash. Honestly, like, please give me a better teammate or
Oh,
something.
oh
Like,
yeah, after the whole game, I've gotten all of them.
That's like a skill issue, buddy. That's like a skill issue.
Back here.
Finish line! Let's go. Bye-bye. Make. Oh, God.
I love the doorbell sound.
You slowed down my momentum! Yeah, that's what you're getting. Oh, wait, you're right on these.
Yeah, you get the little one.
What did I right? Oh, I crushed him, that's why. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing?
What are you doing, Simi?
I can't fire. I cannot fire. I can't fire!
X button. Hit space.
I do that. Let me crush on them booty cheeks. Just suck him up. Be gay,
know
man.
a lot about that, Simi.
Ow! I'm supposed to be sucking them, not you. Let me suck you dry. Pause.
You're the one who said it, Simi.
Why can't I shoot you? Why? Give me more! Stop stealing attention, please!
Stop being so easy to steal from.
It's not my fault!
Kinda is.
Let me suck them all up. You know, I got tired of them. Time to suck you all up. I came to suck you dry. Yeah, give me another one. Give me another one. I'll suck it dry. Ew! No! Fine! I gotta spit roast them, Time to fly!
Wait, it's too. We're not even there yet.
You stupid! I gotta get it! No, I'm gonna suck you dry. That's it. Get suckies. Suckies.
I got him.
Why is my mosquito riding me? How can I fly? Am I part fly? Came to God dang it. Let me suck you! Can I suck one? You killed me. Stupid bitch. Cuphead? What? Cuphead before Cuphead?
This is just Cuphead. Wait, what the?
It's all your fault, you
Oh, it's all my fault.
It's all your fault. I didn't have a chance of living. You did. It's all your fault. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I could do without the moaning, Simi.
Okay, fine.
Oh, shoot bombs into his mouth.
That's pretty gay, man.
How is that gay?
You said shoot something in his mouth.
Shoot
That's gay.
bombs in his mouth.
Balls in his mouth? That's even gayer.
Bombs.
Bro, just say you like that, bro. I'll understand.
You're projecting, Simi.
Open your mouth! Okay, so we can all admit that I carried this game. Alright, great. Come here!
I broke the cage with your face.
Damn! I mean, no, I mean, we've been equal work. But equal work, kid. Yeah, equal work. Okay. Honestly, if it wasn't for you holding me back, we could have got 350.
Oh, is that so, Simi?
You liked them 14, but I liked them. Did we do it?
Yes, we've did it.
Oh no, there's one more thing.
I blame you.
No, there's one more chest. No, it's all your fault. You're just trapped.